Hello everyone and welcome back to Christian Nicole's House of Beauty. I am at home teaching you guys how to become cosmetologists, or at least, those of you who are interested. I'm just kind of giving you guys some insight. So we're going to be doing an unboxing today of the latest piece of equipment I ordered. It is a wig head stand or a tripod. This is something that you can travel with. It's so much easier than trying to hook something up to a table and hoping that your table is the right height. Yeah, y'all use them cosmetology, them standard stands. Your back is hurting, you're linked over, the table is too tall or too short, and you're really not getting the good angles. But these freestanding wig stands help you to get every angle. You get all points of access. So this is what they're good for. And let me tell you, it didn't dawn on me after cosmetology school that I needed one of these at my house so that I could start making wigs. It took me a while, and it seems like every style, it's like discovering fire. Like, we all have to discover it for our own selves. But I was like making wigs with the what is it, the styrofoam mannequin heads. You sit in between your legs and you sew as much as you can till your legs get tired. Or I was using the ones that aren't the freestanding, just kind of hooking them up to the tables, and that just gets old. But anyway, let's get back to this. So it came in a little duffel bag. It's very lightweight, very easy to access. The duffel bag was not tied. I didn't feel like I couldn't get in there. Ooh, it came with goodies, so that's always a good thing. And there wasn't a lot of trash either. It was just a little bit of paper inside, insulating. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is how you open it. You just take the legs and you can spread it apart. I had to okay, son, you need to back up for 1 second. So then in order to loosen up all the pieces, the poles, the legs, you want to screw them counterclockwise, and here are the goodies. And then to tighten them, you want to screw them clockwise to set them in place. And basically that's how it goes. So that's how it looks. Yep, see, very light, very short, but I think it goes up to like 4 or 5 feet, which is good. So this is good for somebody who is going to be sitting or standing making their hair pieces, their units, their wigs. It's very easy. This did not come with instructions. It's not rocket science, but it kind of is. I was like, what? Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna unscrew this. If you want to elongate this pole, you're gonna counterclockwise, right? And here it comes out right there. Yep. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in there. But I want to go ahead and set it up. So the thing that I was looking for was the neck, the swivel, the thing that makes the head swivel from left to right, whatever. I thought it didn't come with it, but it did come with it. I wound up shaking it out of the bag after I found it. So I went and retrieved my other mannequin stand for that specific piece, the neck piece thingy. And I'm going to just take that out of that one and put it in the brand new one. And thank goodness I wound up finding it. Like I said, it was in the bottom of the bag, but it was very, very small. And I also didn't realize that screw, I'm tired, guys. I didn't realize that other screw toppy thingy on the other stand, the new stand, was already there. I just was like, oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew that. Look, some of these videos we will be learning together, okay, where assembly is required, because I'm not the most inclined person when it comes to assembling things. But anyway, you unscrew it, and this is how it goes in. Look at that. They were made for each other. In, boop, just like that, and then it swivels, and then you're just gonna take it and you're gonna screw it on the top just like so. Guys, I'm working on my fitness, okay? My hot girl summer is going to be delayed. I know I'm real thick in the upper area, but don't worry about me, though. My bills are paid. Okay. So you're going to screw that clockwise until it gets tight and it's, fixed and movable. Doesn't do anything, right? Going to get that like that. Yep, I'm just trying to see how still I want it to be. So see how easy that was? It only took, we're only at the 4-minute mark, guys. This is easy. So let me know in the description, in the comments, if you wound up ordering this piece. If this makes your life easy, do you have one of these? And so then I'm going to show you something else kind of cool really quickly. This is a mannequin head. Welcome. Here's an introduction. She's green. but this is how you sit it on that wig stand. You're gonna see the opening? You're gonna sit that opening right on top of that piece there. Boom. See how easy that was? I'm gonna show you one more thing. Make sure you have some like really strong rubber bands, office grade rubber bands, the way they want pop on you. You're gonna go ahead and just stick those on the neck part. You're gonna double them and just wrap them around so they're really tight, but not so tight they'll pop. Okay guys. You're gonna sit it on top of there, and that head, look at that. I had to force it down. It ain't going nowhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think. If you want more content, well, it's gonna be more content regardless, but thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.